Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a formula column in Monday.com to instantly change currencies for any financial data you're tracking. Whether you work in global sales, manage budgets across different countries, or just need quick conversions for project estimates, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automate currency changes right within your Monday.com boards. No spreadsheets or manual math required. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll need a column with your source currency values. If you've already got one, perfect. If not, let me walk you through it. Click the little plus icon at the top right of your board, right next to your existing columns. From the menu, pick Currency, or Numbers, if your amounts don't need a specific currency symbol. Now, configuring this column matters a lot. Set it to show your source currency symbol, like USD or GBP, because this visual cue keeps things clear for you and your team as data flows in. Think of it as labeling your inputs. Just like a chef labels ingredient jars, you'll avoid confusion down the line. Now, let's get your conversion column set up. Click the plus icon again, same place as before. This time, search for Formula and select it. The Formula column is going to hold the converted amount, so imagine it as your smart calculator running behind the scenes, updating every row automatically. Here comes the heart of it, entering your conversion formula. When the formula editor pops up, you're going to write a simple calculation. First, reference the source column by typing its exact name in curly braces. So if your column is named USD value, you'll use USD value. This links the formula so it knows which number to pull in. Next, multiply that by the exchange rate you want. For example, to convert USD to EUR at a rate of 0.92, you'll enter USD value, 0.92. It's just basic math, but super powerful when you let the system handle it for you. If you're converting GBP to JPY, say at 199.18, use GBP, 199.18. These formulas update instantly whenever you change values, kind of like having a real-time assistant handling currency for you. Don't worry if exchange rates change. You'll need to update the formula manually if the rate shifts. But at least it's one simple change that updates everywhere, much faster than editing row by row. Once you've typed in your formula, go ahead and click Save or Set Formula. Pause for a moment. Give Monday.com a second to crunch the numbers. Now, every item in that column will display the converted currency amount automatically. It's kind of magical if you've ever had to do this step in Excel before. But there's one last touch to make things really clear. Adjust the column settings by clicking the header of your new formula column, then select Settings. Here, you can set the unit to match your destination currency, like Laush, Waya, or Dir. This way, there's no confusion, and anyone glancing at your board knows exactly what those numbers mean. And that's it. You've set up a seamless system for automatic currency conversion in Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like. And if you have any questions, whether about formulas, currency rates, or Monday.com features, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-tos so you can get the most out of your workflow every week. Thanks for watching.